Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make iced tea in Brick Life full guide. Start by gathering tea leaves, fresh water, ice, sweetener, and a heat source inside your Brick Life world. Boil water, steep tea for 3 to 5 minutes, then cool quickly. Add sweetener to taste, stir well, and pour over a generous cup of ice. Garnish with lemon or mint and enjoy your chilled in-game beverage. Collect tea bags or loose leaves, clean water, ice, sweetener, citrus, and a kettle or pot in Brick Life. Use a cup, stirring implement, and optional strainer. For sweet iced tea, heat 1 liter of water, add 2 to 3 tea bags or 3 teaspoons loose tea, steep for 4 minutes, then chill rapidly. Taste and adjust sweetness, then serve over ice with lemon or mint and enjoy. Master hot brew and cold brew methods to suit your Brick Life setup. For hot brew, steep tea in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes, then cool quickly. For cold brew, add tea to cold water and refrigerate or place in a cool area for 6 to 8 hours for smoother flavor. Sweeten after cooling to avoid cloudy tea, and always test 1 cup before scaling the recipe for a crowd.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.